Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Cryptocurrency or crypto as it is alternative salad is essential any form of a currency that exists in a digital or virtual capacity. It uses cryptography to secure transaction. With this form of digital money utilize digital words in which such token can be stored. These digital currencies are used to represent economic value and can be traded with others in exchange for goods and services. Unlike fiat currencies, most cryptocurrencies, with the exception of CBDCs, operate outside of a central sphere of regulation authority, instead relying on the centralized system to record transactions and issue news unit. Crypto coins and crypto tokens. What the difference? A cryptocurrencies come in the two categories: coin and tokens. Difference between them is simple. Coins have a native blockchain built around them. The evidence of building a currency. There are many benefits that come with building a cryptocurrency. The most notable of which are as follows. Number one, elimination of fraud risk. Number two, transaction anonymity. And number three, lower operational cost. Number four, intermediate transaction. Number five, access to new customer base. Security for front. How much it does cost to create a cryptocurrency? The cost of creating a cryptocurrency varies depending on the type of currency being developer uses, as with business requirements. Moreover, volatility, industry trends, and sector influencer are all contributing factors that may have an effect on the overall cost. That said, the average cost of developing a cryptocurrency is generally between uh, 38,000 US dollar and 91,000 for medium complexity. Futures costs range from 50,000 US dollar to 120,000 US dollar. Naturally, progress planning of implementing complications and future pilot coins. Expense can span from anywhere between 121,000 US dollar and 111,000 US dollar, as between or more in some cases. The average cost of developing a currency is generally between, and for medium complexity futures costs range from. Naturally, progress planning in implementing complex-sided and future fiat coin, and implementing the combined and futures fiat coins. Expense can span from anywhere. But anyway, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget Always support me with like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.